Hello, my name is Maggie Gutierrez, and I want to share with you today that my dad and I have plans to travel to San Andres. We have plans to travel for the January holidays and Spain. We got to know that a wonderful place. We will stay at Hotel Portobelo Plaza de las Américas. The outward journey is scheduled for January 15 and the return for January 20. The price is relatively cheap. My dad is already gotten ready and has bought paying sweets because the others that she has really small and very odd. She was a pink, a green, and orange one. She has always wanted to go to the seat, and although she was scared and said that the seat is dangerous, and she has changed her mind, and she says that with the appropriate care it's safe. I have been saving for long period of time to fulfill my dream of going to know the seed. Thanks for listening to me.